G'day, here's a parcel of potch knobby material from Lightning Ridge. There may be a little bit of colour in it, but it's mostly just black and grey clear potch. Good for practice material. The black can be used for backing to make doublets and triplets. Some of the material varies, like this straight out potch. Sometimes this material has a sun flash in it. There's a piece of semi-clear. And then some of it black, which you can use for, like I said, backing on doublets or triplets. Unfortunately there's not a lot of black in it, but it's mixed in. Some pieces are better than others. That's black on the outside, but when it's been broken, it's whiter material on the inside by the looks. Quite often happens the other way around, with the lighter on the outside and the black centres. Sometimes those centres are coloured. But anyway, it is what it is. Good practice material for someone just to say, I've practiced. A couple of big pieces in there, but it's random, out of the bucket scoops. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.